Okay, ready? Welcome back to Cuba's Automotive. Now, this is a little unexpected. I wasn't planning to do a video on this. I'm working on an 07 Chevy Equinox with the 3.4 engine. Oops. And one of the issues was this is a crank no start, where it will crank every now and then and start for a couple seconds and shut off. Okay. So in the ECM, the codes listed were circuit 1 reference, that the 5-volt reference was non-existent or had a fault in it, okay? Now I had about less than a volt, about a half volt in reference 1. Reference 2 is okay. Now this video is to demonstrate the necessity of having more than one surface information, because I was going down a rabbit hole with this stupid car. Okay, so I have the PCM here, okay? I have it disconnected. If you come here, Ana Maria, por favor. I had everything disconnected here, my little covers that go on top of here, and I took some of the tape off, so I'm able to back probe and do my testing that I need to do. Okay, great, all fine and dandy. Now, that part was not so bad. I was able to go through and figure out my 5-volt references, although there was more than one. There was about 6 altogether, or 7 5-volt reference outputs of this PCM. And then I have inaccurate information, okay? The issue with this car, it's a shorted cam shaft sensor, okay? Down here on the side, maybe I can show a spotlight. That guy right there, I don't know if you guys can see that. Nope. Yeah, you can see the plug that's unplugged. I'm shining a light on that. But the camshaft sensor is just behind there. Can you see it maybe on this side? It's just below that plug. Maybe it's too much light. Sometimes it's too much light. Come further over here. Yeah, there we go. There's the connector for the camshaft sensor, and the plug is just below that. You can see the sensor itself, right? There you go. That's the sensor. All right, well, that guy is shorted, and it brought down the 5-volt reference to about a half volt. Although, my paperwork, or the schematics online, this was all data, not blaming them, they had it written down on the wiring schematics as 12 volt. Now it might be a 12 volt reference. I don't know. I didn't verify that part. Let me see. Yeah, here we go. This is a camshaft sensor, okay? And we have 12 volt reference from the ECM. Low reference, which is just the ground, and the signal. Okay. When I unplugged this, the 5-volt reference came back. But if I look, my pinout, all right, we're going to check out this guy. This guy says C2, okay? So this is going to be connector 2 on my PCM. So that's C1 and C2. Now, this says pin 44 as being my 12-volt reference. And here you see, pin 44, not available. There's nothing on there. This threw me down a loop. I'm telling you. And I was PO'd for a bit. Luckily for one of my friends, I'm here at the shop, and he provided some other information for me, other service info, and was able to, I guess, help me out. He said, boop, try this, and voila, it worked. So I'm sorry about the heating apparatuses. But that's just to let the viewers know you got to have more than one service information, because one service is not going to give you everything that you need. Inaccurate information. I love all data to death. I mean, compared to most other ones, I think it's awesome information. But sometimes you need Mitchell, sometimes you need Identifix, or whatever else is out there. You got to have more than one, or maybe you can tie into other shops that might share some of their resources with you. So that's it for this. I just got to tape up everything. We're getting a sensor, and well, we're going to send it on its way. It's got quite a few other things, but that's neither here or there. So I hope you found it useful. Please don't mind my frustration. It's just, I don't know. Yeah, this is an unexpected video. I hope you guys take something away from it. And I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.